Hello everyone, CoinHound here. Just for a short unboxing, I am coming off a bit of a layoff. Just published my first video in a while a couple days ago. Probably was off 3 or 4 months with life and work stuff. Hadn't been making many purchases, just a few subscription items from the US Mint. This order from Apmex, and then I picked up a couple things from the Royal Mint around the time that the Queen passed. And so I'm trying to get back into things here for 2023. This order I think I put in a couple months ago. It's been sitting on my shelf in a box, and I just opened it up this morning. Haven't really looked in it yet. So I don't even remember exactly what I ordered, as odd as that sounds. But let's take a see and see what I picked up. All right, so first off here. Okay. 2022 Tuvalu Black Flag Antiqued Rising Sun. Okay, so the latest in the Rising Sun series. So let me get this situated properly. Looks like that's upside down. Apologize about that. So there you have it, the Rising Sun. 495 silver, 1 ounce in weight. The Black Flag series, pirate William Moody and his ship, the Rising Sun. I decided to pick up the antiqued version, and it is beautiful. I know that on the third coin they kind of went astray a little bit by making a person instead of a ship kind of the foremost image, but it looks like they've gone back to the successful recipe now. And then you have the late Queen here on the back. Antiqued adds such a nice touch to coins, but of course it is a little bit more expensive usually to pick these up. All right, what else do I got here? Okay, we've got a 1967 Canada Silver Dollar Flying Goose, BU Proof-like. Okay, there it is. All right, this is one of my favorite coins out there. I love these old Goose dollars from Canada. This looks like it's a centenary version, 1867 to 1967, and it looks like it is in beautiful condition. Let's bring that up a little closer. Lovely. I've got a couple other of these in the collection. Every now and then I get an itch to pick one up, and there, of course, is the young Queen, Queen Elizabeth, a younger portrait. Quite beautiful there as well. Okay, so what else do we have in here? We have one of the Peanuts rounds from Apmex. I think this is my second of this one. I did do a video on this many moons ago. Apparently I decided to pick up a second one. I do really love this series. I really enjoyed all the different TV shows when I was a kid. I didn't read the comic strips too much, here and there a little bit, but was more of into the holiday TV shows. And of course the Great Pumpkin one was excellent. And I really do like this series. Now, there are a couple things to be aware of. First off, I generally do try to get the colorized versions of these. They come in colorized and not. The reverse here, with all the gang on it, those are always non-colorized. But they do make colorized and non-colorized fronts on them, obverses, and I do strongly prefer the colorized version. And one thing to be aware of is the initial products in this series were of a limited mintage, 2,000, 2,500, 5,000. I don't remember all the different mintages. And then they started, apparently they were popular, and they started making more of them that had no mintage listed. So it looked like they could pump out as many as they want. So I did steer clear of those. They were putting out a lot of them, and it just wasn't affordable to be getting all of them. But in the last year or so, they appear to be doing some of them with limited mintage again. And if any of those strike my fancy, I do like to pick those up. I just did a short the other day on Lucy pulling the football from Charlie Brown. You know, that's one of my favorite scenes, and I think it's an iconic scene in the series. And yes, I have started experimenting with shorts, trying to learn how those work and what I can do with those, so we'll see how that goes as well. But I will continue doing my regular channel content as well. Oh, this is exciting here. This is a capsule, so just a 36 millimeter capsule. I do have some loose coins and rounds that I need to encapsulate, so I picked that up for that. What else do we have here? Oh, Peanuts, Charlie Brown. Here's the Charlie Brown Lucy one. Apparently, I decided to get a second one of these because I do have another one that I just did that short on. And I really love this round. Just beautiful. The colorized version, I just think they're so well done. And I do like these encapsulated packages as well to keep the round nice and safe. All right, what do we have next? Okay, a second of the antique Rising Sun coins. All right, so I'll put that into the collection. We'll see what I do with that in the future. Maybe I'll sell it. Maybe I'll send one in for grading. Looks like I bought a third one as well. Did not remember that. Didn't realize I bought 3 of those, but that's nice. Another capsule. 29 millimeters this time. What else do we have here? Oh, we've got some sort of an old coin here. 1967 Canada Silver $half Howling Wolf. BU proof-like. Let's see. Okay, I really like this Canada. When it comes to making coins with animals on them, the Royal Canadian Mint is top-notch. I really like a lot of work in that regard. So this is a $half, 50 cents. This looks like it's one of the centenary coins also, 1867 to 1967. This one does have a decent bit of toning on it, as we can see there. I'm not sure I like that. I would have preferred that they send me one without toning, but I guess technically speaking, it's probably still BU and proof-like. So, oh well, what can you do? Put that aside. What else do I have here? Oh, another capsule, 36 millimeters. Do I have anything else? Yes, I got another coin here. 1958 to 1967 Canada Silver Dollar BU proof-like. Oh, this is the one with the canoe. I don't know what the official name or title for this is, but I really love these as well. This is 1966 BU proof-like. This one's in beautiful shape. So looks like I got 2 out of 3 that are really nice. Don't like the toning on that other one, but what can you do? So that's really nice there. And I'm sure they'll have a young queen portrait here. Sorry about the packaging. I don't want to take it out quite yet until I have a capsule or something for it. So there you have it. And I think that's about it. So anyways, there's my haul. Bunch of stuff. And I'll get to adding all that into the collection. And thank you for coming along with me here. I hope you enjoyed the show and tell. I hope you have a great day and great evening. This is CoinHound signing out.